One day, long ago, some sailors set out to sea in their sailing ship. One of them brought his pet monkey along for the long journey. The weather was sunny and all the sailors were happy. While they were far out at sea, suddenly the weather changed and the waves began hitting the ship every day. The sailors didn't know what to do. They started running and tried doing their best to control the ship, but to no avail. A terrible storm overturned the ship. Everyone fell into the sea, and the monkey was sure that he would drown.
Someone help me! I can't swim! I can't swim!
Suddenly, a dolphin appeared and picked him up.
Thanks, Dolphin, for picking me up. You know, I can actually swim. I even won the Best Swimmer award in Old Town. I would have shown you the medal, but I don't have it with me.
I clearly saw you screaming for help and saying you can't swim seconds ago. Get off my back and swim alone, then.
No, I can't swim in such a big sea, though.
Then, stop boasting.
The dolphin swam and swam and swam until they reached a small island, and the monkey came down from the dolphin's back. The dolphin asked the monkey,
Do you know this place? You quickly came down from my back and I wanted to take a break and go with you to another place that...
Yes, I do. In fact, the king of this island is my best friend. Do you know that I'm actually a prince?
Well, so you are a prince? Now you can be a king.
What? How can I be a king?
The dolphin started swimming away and looked at the monkey and said,
That is easy. As you are the only creature on this island, you will naturally be the king. Maybe then you will stop lying and boasting to not lead your kingdom into trouble.